So we're not gonna even use Maybelline, sis. I don't know about setting my whole face with this powder. I like to just apply the blush on my cheeks, and I feel that's way too much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. It's your girl Mrs. and I'm back with another video. So I hope everyone is doing well, keeping safe, staying at home, keeping clean, keeping healthy. Hopefully we can get over this whole quarantine, but I hope everyone is good. Today I have decided to do something a little bit different, and I have decided to follow one of Nikkie tutorials. Second coffee of the day, whoop whoop to me. So Nikkie Tutorials is one of like the famous content creative influencers on this whole entire platform. She's got over like 13 million subscribers. She's basically one of the queens of full glam, full coverage, and makeup tips and tutorials, literally. She recently posted a affordable flawless makeup transformation. I think what's interesting with this video is the fact that she actually used a full face of affordable makeup products. So I decided to, you know, black girl tries Nikkie Tutorials tutorial out here, and I thought, why not do something a little bit different. I'm just gonna get this out of the way. I am not a makeup artist or a guru, okay? Nikkie Tutorial likes to do her eyebrows after her foundation. I'm not about that life, so I didn't do that. One time I done that and my whole makeup was messed up, but it is what it is. So let's get right into this tutorial.
For primer today, because not to prime is a crime, I am going in with this Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. It prepares the skin and
a lot of these products that she's gonna use I don't really have. I try to challenge myself to use products that she has, or as close that she's using in this video. If I do have them in my makeup collection, I don't have those specific products because they don't run deep and, you know, dark enough for your homegirl out here. So my Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water from Berry M.
For foundation, I am using this right here. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte.
Okay, so she's using the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation, the infallible one. Got the Fresh Wear 24 hour, and I've also got the matte cover 24 hour. So I think I'm gonna just use the matte because she's using matte. This is very matte, guys, okay? Like, now the only thing is with Nikkie, she actually uses a sponge. Now I do like using sponges, but I do like using a brush first and then a sponge. But I guess we're just gonna go straight with the sponge, you know, just copy her.
Now it's time for concealer, and I have two options, so it's up to you. Maybe you have one of these laying around. I have the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Really like that one, but this is a newer one. I feel loving this one too. This is by Makeup Revolution. It is a 16-hour wear, conceal and define.
Luckily for me, she mentioned two concealers that I have, which is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo one, and also the Revolution Infinite Concealer, which I have. So she's obviously going to be using her shade. I'm going to use obviously the shade that suits me, which is C12.5, and I believe it's got like a golden undertone. Actually, let me see how she applies her concealer as well.
And I'm using the color C2.
Oh, shame she skipped it.
Oh, alright, in a little bit I'm gonna bake my under eyes and set my entire face.
She's only applied the concealer under she only applied concealer under her eyes, which is, you know, alright, but I'm not really accustomed to that, sis, so, you know. And then she's going to bake with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I've heard so many good things about this powder, but yet I don't have it in my collection. So drugstore alternative that works for me that I like is the Colourpop No Filter one in the shade Banana, so I'm just gonna use that instead. Oh wait, hold on, sis. I just realised she sets her whole entire face with the same powder. that's gonna be a problem. I don't know about setting my whole face with this powder. Oh my god, let's do it. Let's just do it, yeah? I'm gonna look so ashy. Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? No, no, stop. I don't think it's changed it completely. Okay, so now she's gone onto the eyeshadow, and I'm not gonna lie, this woman can do some wicked looks. Like, I don't know what it is with her hand techniques and everything, but she can create some good looks. So she's gonna be using an LA Girl palette. I don't have LA Girl palettes per se, so I'm just gonna use something similar that has similar shades to the palette that she's going to use, and I'm going to use the Revolution in collaboration with Patricia Wright, and this palette is the Rich in Life one. So I'm just priming my eyelids with the Infinite Concealer that I used earlier.
Primed, it is time for the first shadow, and the first color I want to go in with feels like this shade right here. All right, I'm picking up that,
which kind of looks like the shade Workaholic actually from this palette. So
that shade, and I'm stamping it into the crease, and we're going all the way in. So from outer to inner corner.
Don't know if this is a little bit too pinky that I'm going for. Oh sis, no drama instead. Oh yeah, still looks a bit quite pinky though. I'm gonna have to mix 2 shades now to get that shade. Maybe No Drama and a little bit of brown sugar. Obviously we've got 2 complete different eye shades, so I can't exactly mimic her look because of our eye shapes. After stamping, she said get a fluffy brush, pull out the shadow edges and drag it to the brow, which I don't really like to do this, so I'm scaredy.
I don't know why, but this color is speaking to me. So I want to pick that up on a brush and put it down on my lid, but a little bit further up, because you want to keep very close to the lash line clear for dark smokiness.
Okay, so she's picked up like a silver color. Now I'm not gonna lie, dark skinned black people, we don't really do silver on the lid, sis. Like, not as a go-to soft glam, but I'm going to mimic and do the lighter shade in this palette, which is probably either Darlings or Diamonds for Breakfast. So maybe I will pick Diamonds for Breakfast. Like so. She said hi to the crease. Oh, actually, you know what, yeah? I think that pretty much looks like Nikkie tutorials.
Smoky lash line. So I'm going in with this chocolatey brown here.
So she's done it as a liner type of thing and then smoked out the outer V. Which I can't do things like that. But anyway, I'm gonna get this shade called Irresistible, which is probably like the darkest brown in the palette. I'm not good with things like this, guys. I'm not gonna tell you a lie. Well, she done it like a liner, so. Lord, give me, oh Lord, oh Lord.
Or form or any way trying to tell you that this is soft.
Right, okay, so now she's going to the lower lash line, which she applies concealer. I personally don't do this, like I don't really apply concealer because I'm not the hugest fan to have a big blowout under eye, but I'm gonna do that and then get the same brown that I used to smoke out my outer V, and I guess apply this on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take Darlings and I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner.
You know what? I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, pop a lash on. I'll be right back for more.
One eye semi done. How do I feel? I don't know. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, apply my lashes and mascara, and then we can get back to the rest of the face. So the next step is bronzer. Okay, so she's using a bronzer, which is a Maybelline one. I have not found a Maybelline bronzer that can run deep and dark enough for my skin tone, hunty. So we're not gonna even use Maybelline, sis. I actually wanted to use my Revolution bronzer that I used in a previous video, but I cannot find it. I'm going to be using the Morphe one, and this is the shade Showmans. This is a bronzer. So I'm gonna see the way she bronzes because
So
I
I
think
take the bronzer, I start from way up here.
So she starts
and
up
then
here.
in circular motions, I bring it forward, and my face shape.
Okay, so she defines her
But
face shape.
Please look at your face and the way your sort of contours naturally fall.
I mean, when I contour or bronze, I just do this bit and the forehead. But she actually bronze to pretty much contour her face, like so. Obviously, we've got different face shapes, so I have to do it in a way to suit mine. Why does my lips look so dry? Okay, so she bronzes her nose like so. Oh, sis, I'm not too sure about this. Listen, I've got a black woman nose, okay? I've got a big, broad, full of nostrils, black woman nose, and this bronzing thing here makes my nose look very muddy looking. And then she gets her powder.
And snatch the sides. Do a little bit on the top of the bridge.
Oh my god, that's so
Look
wonky.
at that. That is
It's
a
so
carved
wonky.
nose. Now I take a big face brush and brush away the face powder. Like Flower Pots powder blush, and this one is in the color Peach Primrose. Oh my god, I just watched The Hunger Games, all 4 of them. Like,
I don't have that brand, so I'm just gonna use something that looks similar. It looks quite peachy orangey, so I'm just gonna use my peachy orangey blush, which is drugstore, and this is the LA Girl Just Blushing in the shade Just for Fun, and I actually really like this blush. It's actually one of my favorites, so I'm just going to
pull up and sculpt even more. I was gonna do a bit on the nose, on the bridge. And seeing that, like that. Okay, one of the most beaming,
oh wait,
affordable
so she
highlights.
pulls it up here. I'm not a huge fan to do that. I like to just apply the blush on my cheeks, and I feel that's way too much. I like to apply blush on the nose, but it's all for a video, it's all for a video, it's all for a video. So highlighting, she's using a white, icy, ashy looking highlighter that will appear on my skin tone, so I'm not going to do that. I don't really want to highlight my skin because I am breaking out a little bit and I don't want to emphasize like the texture and my spots on my face, but I'm just going to do it. I'm going to use the Revolution Shimmer Brick Rose Rose Gold highlighter from Revolution, but I'm going to try just to use the top 3, and she loves to glow, so she literally just rubs it in everywhere. Rubs it in.
Of a soft glam look is a nude overlined lip. So if you're against it, do your thing, do your own thing with your lips. I'm just gonna create my own. I am gonna line and fill in my lips using this Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the color Lethal.
So lips, she just basically creates her nude lipstick, which is quite of a pinky nude on her. I'm not going to do a pinky nude because of my hair, and pinky nudes are not my go-to nudes for us of Glam. So I'm going to do the black girl version, and I'm going to still line my lips with a brown lip liner because that is a must. This is actually a lip liner from MUA in the shade Obsession, and then I'm going to fill in my lips with the Kiko 3D Hydro Lip Gloss, which I think is either number 19 or number 15, but the label's rubbed off, so sorries. So this is my soft glam makeup transformation following Nikkie tutorials steps, or tutorial should I say, and I must say, yeah, I'm actually really digging it. And it's just so weird when watching someone whilst applying makeup, you literally try to mimic their steps. The eyes are doing a lot for me, I'm not gonna lie, they're making me feel a little bit a type of way. I think it's just the smokiness on the lower lash line. I don't really tend to do it, but I'm really feeling it. Absolutely love the skin, even the way I applied the blush on my nose, doing that little tip, and the highlighter, I'm actually really digging. You know, this lipstick is nothing new to me. I'm always about that nude glossy lip anyway, but yeah, I'm actually really feeling the makeup look. I think the only thing I would tweak, I have to set my face at least face twice. Like, I can't apply foundation and powder and just wait until the very end to set my face with a setting spray, because my skin is just, oh, it literally cries for moisture, literally. I'm actually digging it. Hey. I like the way it's turned out, and I'm feeling like $1 million, I'm not gonna lie. But you guys let me know what you think. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more black girls trying to do different tutorials out here, you know, leave a comment down in the section below. Thumbs it up. Make sure you do subscribe if you're new. Put on your post notifications on, because even though I do post 3 times a week, we are in quarantine, so I might post whenever the weather. Check the description box below for all the details and whatnot. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Let me play my tune out.
Start dropping a pagan. Oh.